S180 drone flying tutorial. Spread the wings of the drone. Install the battery in the correct direction. Hold the button at the bottom of the battery to remove the battery. Place the drone on a level surface. Turn on the drone switch. The drone's lights flickered. Turn on the remote control power switch. The remote will automatically connect to the drone. The drone light is steady on. Calibrate the gyroscope. Remote control stick keep outward down. The light flashes and then goes on. Calibration complete. Calibrate the gyroscope every time you take off. Adjust the buttons up and down the camera. The one-touch takeoff button. Then press the button to land the drone. The left rocker controls the ascent, descent, left rotation, right rotation. The right rocker controls the forward motion, recoil, left hand fly, right hand fly, drone tumble key. Press the button to push the right joystick. Drone rolls over. The drone has 3 speed adjustments. Press the obstacle avoidance button. The drone will avoid obstacles in its direction. Scan the QR code to download the app. Connect to the drone Wi-Fi after installation. Open the app after connecting to Wi-Fi. The drone can be operated through an app. Aircraft vane change tutorial. Distinguish between A and B wind blades. Replace the corresponding blade with a screwdriver. Screw to tighten. The drone battery is charged using USB. When the red light is off, the charging is complete.